To myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.
Happy Saturday, y'all. Today is Saturday, June the 29th. I have a sister and a brother whose birthday is today. So happy birthday! But anyway, y'all, I want to show y'all, I'm getting ready to go on a little vacation. And so I'm recording this and I probably won't even post it till I get back. But so here's what I got. Some ground beef and some rice. I'm getting that because I'm trying to have something already at the house when I get back, because I'm not sure what day I'm going to actually come back. You know, I live in Louisiana, but I'm flying out of Houston. So I got some of these coin wrappers because I got some coins I need to go ahead and wrap up. I got 3 of them from the Dollar Tree. Now, one of these, y'all, this size, I think it may be a little bit more, is at Walmart, $4. I was like, oh, no, I got these from the store. Well, let me show y'all. I got the Hawaiian Punch. I'm taking that with me to to Houston before we go. I got these whole peel tomatoes. They're $1.28, regular $2.28, so they're $1 off. I went ahead and got them. You know, I use the whole tomatoes when I make the tamales, and I'm thinking about making some real soon. I'm doing some spaghetti tonight. This is spaghetti, and I use a spaghetti sauce mix by McCormick, and I use to add tomato paste and vegetable oil with that. That kind of helps it keep from sticking at the bottom. I got this Wolf hot chili. Love it, love it. You don't have to add anything to it. Fun fact, add just a little sugar to it. It is really good on your and I don't use it very often, but because it was $1 and something cent, I went ahead and got it. I got some more of the whole corn, the golden sweet corn. They said packed same day. Well, the corn that they packed last time, y'all, it was too old, but I went ahead and got it again because it's not always like that. I got some diced tomatoes because I also put diced tomatoes in my spaghetti. I'll link a spaghetti recipe because I do have one. So, also they had this Brookshire's butter, very good butter. It was $2.97, so I got a salted and an unsalted. For the plain, I got us some travel pillows that got them from Burlington. $6.99. I got this one. My carry-on bag is pink, so I want to be, you know, I like to be coordinated. Anyway, so I got this from Burlington. It's a whitening starter kit. It's the toothbrush, and it has it has 2 brush heads. So this for my son. I got me some razors. So I'm just gonna show y'all everything I got in here. I'm putting it back. I got me some regular toothbrushes. Oh, this is not a brand though. Gum massage. So I got that. I got me some Lady Speed Stick, which I use Degree. And I might still care. Anyway, I got me some of this Dove Rich Nourishment Cream for face and body. All this from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. I got us 2 brush holders. I got me a little thing to clean my face. I got an electric one, but I'm not going to take that with me. I use that one. My son uses, y'all know I get him the Old Spice, but he get the Playmaker, but they didn't have that. I got what they had, the travel size. I got some peel thing to put my peels in. I'm not going to take all those bottles. Oh, I forgot to get my medicine. Oh, what time is it? I got this because I wear a mouth guard at night, but I use this Effordent to clean it. And what else I got here? I got me a beauty blender. Okay, so I'm going to put all that back in there. Went to Burlington. I got my son a few shirts. So, y'all, I'm the type I buy all year long. But when I see things that are reasonably priced, I go ahead and get them. So, I got him one shirt here. $4.99. I love Burlington prices. I got him a Scarface shirt. It was $7.99. A shirt with just Lee on the front. That was $7.99. And I got him, I like the Scarface shirt, though. He could wear that with his jeans. I got him a package of Under Armour socks, and I got me a pair. Oh no, I didn't mean to get medium. What shoe size? Yeah, that's right. Medium is for women 7 to 10 and a half. So that's the right size. Also, I got my grandson. He'll be 8 at the end of July. I got him 2 Gap shirts. These were, I think $9.99. So I got him the 2 shirts. And I got him a pair of Levi's shorts with a distressed look to them in the front and on the bottom. And then I got him a pair of the Levi, these like cargo shorts. I think they're real cute. And then they got he's so narrow in the waist, but they got the adjustable waist thing. So that's going to be perfect for him. I got him that. My son got these moon pies. We're going to be in Houston 2 days, and then we'll fly out later. I got me these sandals. I don't even know if I'm going to even take these. But they were $8.99. I thought they were cute, but they were $8.99. So I got them. I got me some bananas. I got my son some Hanes t-shirts. I got some grapes. I got this tomato ketchup was $9.98 at Sam's on sale. And y'all know that Heinz ketchup, a big thing like this, is like $5 or $6 in the store, just one. So this will last us the rest of the year. And then I needed my Downy, my Ocean Mist. I love this, y'all, better than I like the Downy, April Fresh Downy. And that's all. Y'all, I spent some money today, though. Between, oh, and I got me some new suitcases because I haven't traveled in a long time, and I don't have the hard shell. I hadn't been on the plane. But anyway, so we got the hard shells for the plane ride. We usually travel by car most of the time, and so I don't want to use the same suitcases. So we got new ones. And so I told my son today I spent $300, and I still got to go get my nails done, and my feet. So I'm gonna go do that a little later. It's so hot. But I also have to pick up my medication. So I gotta go back out. I think Walgreens closes at 6. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Y'all be careful, be safe. It is so hot out there. My car, the hottest my car said today was 101. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Make someone smile. Much love. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm in Houston getting ready to go on vacation. It's been a while. Y'all know I'm still catching up from the pandemic. Hadn't been going very much, but last year was the first year, so yearly thing now. Sorry about that. So you guys ready? All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to cut that. We'll cut that. Okay. Quick haul. We put our briskets and hams up. They had hams, 97 cents a pound. They had briskets. We got briskets for $23 and $24. But here we got the injectables, 3 of those. We got the Jiffy cornbread mix. We got sparkling ice, the Starburst kind, burst kind, the strawberry, and I think this is orange, and also lemon somewhere here. We got some body armors. They even had the Skittles. I'm sure we probably have them at home, but I hadn't seen them, the Skittles. And they also have them in blue. Got some Mentos gum, and I got some Sour Patch. We got this Kroger bacon. We got T-bone steaks. It's 2 packs of T-bones. We got this stuff here. We got macaroni. We got all kinds of soda. They were $9.99 each. So you spend $9.99 for 2 and you got 3 free. So I guess that makes the 12 packs $4. My niece also put me on to the turkey leg. I've eaten a piece off, but it's a lot of meat on there. I'm just about full from it. My son's dinner. They had this $1.99, so we're going to separate this and make some snacks we have on the plane. So I got chips ahoy. I know my son likes those. We got the snaps, and then I got some Cheez-Its. So those are the snacks that we can take with us. I wanted something to go along with the turkey leg, so we got the, and y'all know I never buy fruit like that, but I did today because we're leaving out tomorrow, so we got to eat this up today. And that's a quick haul. I didn't go everything, but my son's gonna sit here and eat his Sonic. And I'll talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Stay safe, y'all. It's hot.